Roll EMS.
Check roll. Oh. Yep. So far?
I got.
On August 25, 2023, Mr. Lester Kendrick Johnson was involved in a domestic disturbance during which he allegedly discharged a firearm and stole a vehicle. Later in the day, at approximately 9:05 p.m., officers located the vehicle and attempted a traffic stop. Mr. Johnson refused to stop, leading officers on a pursuit.
Black short. He's right now. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Outside fence. So Terry's 87. We're driving in out of the parking lot. Working unit, watch out here. Black man, black. Yeah. Black male. Hey, put your hands up!
He led officers to an apartment complex located at 8701 Town Park Drive.
Shots fired. Suspect is down. Roll EMS. Everybody good?
Yeah, we're good.
We're in front of the building.
Is he good?
Yeah.
Is there a weapon?
Watch him right here. His waistband.
Okay. Are you hit?
Roll him over. Hey, back assessment. Back. I'm sorry.
Y'all give us like. Are you hurting anywhere?
I think I hit my head.
Did you get shot?
It went past me like I heard that bitch.
Roll. Yep. So far?
I got nothing. Where are you hurting? Where are you hurting?
My nuts in my head.
He's good. No blood.
I ain't getting something.
He didn't get shot. What do you need us to do? Slow units down. Hey, we're good. Shot fired. We're good. So the next right. He lives in this. Alright, you're right here. He lives on the right.
Right now.
On your right.
He got black shirt.
Get on the ground.
Shots fired.
Get down. You gotta get down.
Suspect is down. Rolling EMS. Perfect.
Everybody good?
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
We're in front of the building.
Is he good? Is there a
Watch him right here. His waistband.
Right in the middle of the complex.
Back assessment. Back. I'm sorry.
Y'all give us like. Are you hurting anywhere?
I think I hit my head.
Did you get shot?
Okay.
It went past me like I heard that.
Hey, roll him on the other side real quick. Let's roll him on the other side. Hey, roll. Check the waistband. Yep. His waistband so far?
I got nothing. Where are you hurting? Where are you hurting?
My nuts in my head. I ain't getting something.
Oh, this one. Alright, right here. He's on the right.
Right now.
Hey, get on the ground! Get down. You gotta get down. Here's my.
Everybody good?
Yeah, we're good.
We're in front of the building.
Is he good?
Good.
Is there a weapon?
Watch him right here. His waistband. Yeah.
Hey, I got light.
Hey, roll him over. Hey, back assessment. Back. I'm sorry.
Y'all get like. Are you hurting anywhere?
I think I hit my head.
Did you get shot?
Okay, you.
It went past me like I heard that.
Hey, roll him on the other side real quick. Let's roll him on the other side. Hey, roll. Yep. His waistband's clear so far?
Where are you hurting? Where are you hurting?
My nuts in my head.
Oh, no, he's good. No blood.
I ain't getting something.
He didn't get shot. What do you need? Hey, slow units down. Hey, we're good. Shots fired. We're good.
Damn. I felt that whole pass.
Hey, can you stand up? Or you want to sit down? Hey, I'm going to roll you over on your butt, okay?
My nuts.
Hey, I'm going to roll you over on your butt.
Okay.
All right? Yeah. I check. Only thing he had in his pants was his phone. right, can you lean forward? Lean forward.
Hey, all y'all that are not doing
Oh, hey, I'm gonna put my knee on your back. Just lean on my knee, all right?
All right, please.
You need something?
Just check that area with them.
Hey, this one tight as fuck.
Hey, I'm gonna fix it. Hey, we just have to put them on real quick. Hey, I'm gonna fix it, all right? 2 phones. Good job, man.